If you've ever tried to join a Telegram group or channel but hit an expired or broken link, you know how frustrating it can be. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to fix expired Telegram links in 2023, get around common joining errors, and make sure you're back to chatting in no time. Whether you're dealing with expired invites, links that won't open, or just confusing error messages, stick with me. You'll be able to troubleshoot with confidence by the end. Let's start with one of the most common scenarios. You click on a Telegram invite link, but it tells you the link is expired or you just can't join. Here, what you can do. First, the most reliable fix is to request a new link directly from the link creator, the person who invited you to the group or channel. Only the admin who generated the invite has the power to make a fresh link. If you ask, they can create one that either never expires or at least has a longer lifespan, as long as they've got permission to manage invites. This is important because links on Telegram can be set to expire after a certain number of days or uses for security, so getting a brand new one wipes out any bans or time limits that might be lingering on the old link. But what if you keep getting errors despite having a valid-looking link? Sometimes it's not actually the link itself, it's where and how you're opening it. Here's a neat trick. Try opening the invite link on your mobile phone using the Telegram app. According to platforms like Telmember.com, links can behave differently on the mobile app compared to the desktop version. So if you were on your computer and it didn't work, give it a shot on your phone. It's one of those issues that can surprise you. Tech can be quirky that way. If mobile still doesn't do the trick, try using Telegram Web. You can open your browser and head over to webtelegram.org, then try pasting the invite link there. Sometimes desktop applications have their own hiccups due to outdated versions, corrupted cache, or other gremlins, but the web version works independently and often bypasses these problems. Now, if links just aren't opening at all, maybe nothing happens when you click or you see generic loading errors, it might be time to do some classic troubleshooting. Start by completely closing Telegram. On desktop, right-click the Telegram icon in your system tray and select Quit to ensure it's not still running in the background. Then reboot your computer. It sounds basic, but a full restart can clear small bugs in both the app and your operating system. Still stuck? Let's clear your app cache. In Telegram desktop, head to Settings, go into Advanced, then Data and Storage, and find Storage Usage. Here you'll see an option to clear cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats. It just removes old media and temporary files that sometimes block new data from loading correctly. Another thing to check is your internet connection. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, try disabling it or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Telegram can block connections through certain VPNs or networks, so a quick switch often works wonders. Always make sure you're running the latest version of Telegram. Outdated apps can run into compatibility problems, especially with new link formats. If all else fails and nothing seems to resolve the issue, you might need to uninstall and reinstall Telegram. Just remember to back up any important chat data if you can. Better safe than sorry. And one last tip, if you spot a link that looks like a jumble of random characters such as me/plus rasage ***** asked, it's possible that the link is malformed, not just expired. This means you'll need to ask the sender for a proper, correctly formatted link. Alright, that's a wrap. I hope this guide helps you conquer those stubborn expired links and join your friends or communities on Telegram without a hitch. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit like. And if you have any questions or got stuck somewhere, drop your questions in the comments. I always try to reply. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.